Here's the guys that are bringing you this show.
Persona 4 Arena Ultimax.
Welcome to the Velvet Room. This place exists between dream and reality, mind and matter. Now, why don't you introduce yourself?
I'll crush the life out of you.
Picture in your head your own appearance as well as your alter ego. Very well.
The blood-curdling beefcake emperor, Kanji Tatsumi! Round one. Fight!
Here we go! Round one, fight!
Wait, seriously? Eat this!
I think they can use this in a sight and a pit.
Gotcha! What's up? Gotcha! I'll see ya! Gotcha! You ain't bad! What's right? Don't even think about it.
That
Kanji.
didn't work out. Were they too impatient?
Wait. Round 2. Fight!
I think they could
Nothing. Ready? Don't just lie there. You ain't bad. There we go. There.
All right, announcement over. Until next time.
What the? The fake Naoto disappeared. What in the hell's going on here?
Not bad. But if you don't hurry and put an end to this, the town's gonna be in even more trouble, you know?
Get it, Ted! I bet you're a fake too. Fine! Beat the crap out of every one of you assholes!
I'll be on the edge of my seat waiting for your intensely heated battles.
Huh? What the hell's that weird tower? Our school's that way. You've made it look cuter?